This is what happens when Stacy leaves home.
What's the future? What's the future? Mama's retarded. What was that? Blast the future. Shut my feet. I farted. I farted on her. Ah, my neck. Find the filter. I like trains. I want Honda. I want Honda. I want Honda. Give me that Honda. Give me that Honda.
So possessed.
I'll eat your soul. Where did you get that from? I don't know. From Bob the Builder. That's so evil. I know it. Bob the Builder.
Sounds like some exorcist shit.
Why? From Bob Builder Fart.
You can fly.